Hello guys, I know what got you here. Are you stuck and can't upload a thumbnail on YouTube because it's more than 2 MB? I got you with this problem. I have a solution that's gonna solve your problem in a couple of clicks, so let's get into it then. Follow all the steps along me. Let's get on the screen then. 1. Open up your Chrome browser or any browser you want to open. Now go on the search bar on the top of the screen and type on the search bar compress.png.com, and there will be many links to click on. 2. Click on the first purple link, and it will take you to the website compress.png.com. Don't worry, this website will work for any of the image formats you have. 3. Select the format from PNG, PDF, JPEG, or GIF. After you have selected the format, open the folder in which you have your thumbnail you want to compress. 4. Drag that thumbnail to the Upload File option. Now, wait. It's going to take some seconds to compress your image. Hear it, and now download that compressed file, which will be under 2 MB and will solve your problem. Now, you can easily upload the thumbnail to YouTube without any difficulty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video so your friends can also get rid of their problems. Bye-bye, see ya.